Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into the world of African cuisine with a fantastic recipe, homemade plantain swallow. It is a delicious and versatile dish that's a staple in many African countries. My name is Vetri Otto, and on this channel I share videos of food and business. Kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the notification button so that when I post new videos you'll be informed. Plantain is a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin B6, and potassium. These nutrients play a crucial role in supporting overall health and well-being. Plantains are also high in dietary fiber, which aids in digestion, helps maintain a healthy gut, and can contribute to better bowel movement. Plantain is also a rich source of carbohydrates, providing a quick and sustained energy release. Because this plantain swallow is made from whole plantains and water, it is relatively simple and free from additives, preservatives, or artificial ingredients. It can also contribute to a feeling of fullness due to its fiber content, therefore aiding in weight management. The potassium content in plantain can help regulate blood pressure levels, supporting cardiovascular health. Plantain swallow offers a flavorful and nutritious substitute. For this recipe, you'll need 5 unripe plantain, water, and salt. Salt is optional. You'll start by peeling the ripe plantain. Cut off the ends. Make a shallow cut along the length of the plantain and carefully peel off the skin. Next, cut the peeled plantain into smaller chunks and place them in a pot. Add enough water to cover the plantain chunks and a pinch of salt if desired. Place the pot on the stove over medium heat and bring the water to boil. Cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until they are soft and easy to be pierced with a fork. Next, remove the boiled plantain chunks from the pot and place them in a mortar and pound. Pound until you achieve a smooth, thick consistency. Dip the pestle in hot water from time to time to achieve that smooth, thick consistency. Be cautious not to add too much of water. You want a thick mixture that can be molded into balls. Next, once you've achieved the desired consistency, use a spoon to scoop out portion plantain mixture. Roll the scooped mixture between your palms to form smooth, round balls or elongated shapes depending on your preference. Voila, your homemade plantain swallow is ready to be served. It's perfect for pairing with a variety of African soups and stews such as egusi soup, okra soup. And let me know in the comment section what your preference is. In this video, as you can see, it was paired with very hot, delicious egusi soup. There you have it, friends, a delicious and authentic homemade plantain swallow that you can easily recreate in your kitchen. It's a wonderful addition to your list of African dishes. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Let me know in the comment section what other African dish you would like to see me make. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I have a delicious and nutritious recipe to share with you, and it is how to make oat swallow. And I have two different methods I'll be sharing with you today. Not only is this recipe incredibly easy, but oats also come with a host of health benefits, and I'll be sharing with you some fantastic benefits of oats. So you want to stay till the end of this video. This particular one I paired with okra soup is the first method, and this other one I paired with ogbono soup is the second method. So let's dive right in. For this recipe, you need only oats and water. So this is the brand of oats that I used. In the first method, just measure out 2 cups of oats and blend it. So here are some benefits of oats. Oats are packed with soluble fiber, which helps reduce cholesterol levels. So it helps you to maintain a healthy heart. It also helps to lower the risk of heart disease. Another interesting part is that it helps you in weight management. The fiber in oats keeps you feeling full, making it an excellent choice for weight control and management. Oats also support a healthy digestive system due to their fiber content, promoting regular bowel movement, so it helps in your digestive health. The complex carbohydrates in oats provide sustained energy and help stabilize blood sugar levels. So after blending, this was what it looked like. I did not blend it completely to powder. This is my own preference. You can choose to blend yours even more than this. Measure out 2 cups of water and pour in about a cup of water and keep turning the oats on fire until it thickens. The entire process may take about 5 minutes to 7 minutes. Make sure that the heat of the fire is reduced. Low to medium heat is just fine. The secret to achieving the right consistency is adding the water in bits, little by little, until you achieve the right consistency. Oats are a nutrient-dense whole grain that provides a range of essential nutrients and health benefits. And there are several key nutrients you can find in oats, and that makes it one of the most healthy meals to have. Usually I make my consistency hard because I'm going to still cook the oats further with water. So at this point, pour in some water and cook the oats for about 2 minutes. This process will help to also soften the oats further. After some minutes, this is what it will look like. Then stir properly and your oatmeal is ready. Oats are a source of complex carbohydrates which provide a steady and sustained release of energy, making them an excellent choice for long-lasting fuel for your body. Oats contain a moderate amount of protein, making them a valuable addition to your meal. They provide essential amino acids and contribute to muscle maintenance and repair. And I had to put in my oats into this bowl. This is how I achieve a nice shape for my oat swallow. Can you see how lovely it looks? So this particular oats, I paired it with this hot okra soup, and it was amazing. Would you want to have a taste of it? Let me know in the comment section. I'll be showing you the second method shortly. Oats contain various vitamins, including the B vitamins. These vitamins are essential for energy, metabolism, and for your overall health. Let me know in the comment section if you will be trying out this first method. So let's proceed to the second method. In this second method, measure out 2 cups of oats and 2 cups of water, but blend the oats with only 1.5 cup of water. Reserve the other half for cooking. Please note, feel free to add the quantity of water you want. The softer you want it to be, the more water you add. And the harder you want the oat swallow to be, the less water you add. Then after blending, pour in the oats paste into your pot and keep stirring until it hardens. Pretty much the same process with the first method. Oats are rich in minerals such as manganese, phosphorus, magnesium, and iron. These minerals play important roles in your bone health, energy production, and oxygen transport in the body. Oats also contain antioxidants, including ferulic acid and more, which has anti-inflammatory and heart protective properties. These antioxidants may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Oats are known for their high beta-glucan content, a type of soluble fiber that has been linked to various health benefits. Oats are relatively low in calories when compared to their nutrient density, making them a nutritious choice for those looking to manage their weight. Incorporating oats into your diet can be a smart choice for improving overall nutrition and enjoying a wide range of health benefits. They can be used in various recipes, including oatmeal, overnight oats, granola, and baked goods, making it easy to incorporate them daily into your meals. But in this case, we used it to make swallow, oats swallow, that we can use to enjoy any of the soups, Nigerian soups of your choice. And voila, your oats swallow is ready. Can you see how appetizing it looks? In this second method, I paired it with ogbono soup, and can you see how yummy it looks? Thank you for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video and found information about oat benefits helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more healthy recipes, and share it with your friends and family. Stay tuned for more exciting recipes and health tips. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.